Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're embarking on an exhilarating adventure in the magnificent Swiss Alps. Get ready to witness awe-inspiring landscapes, push your limits, and experience the thrill of a lifetime. Let's dive right into the heart of adventure. Imagine yourself standing on the edge of a cliff, adrenaline coursing through your veins as you prepare for takeoff. Paragliding in the Swiss Alps is an extraordinary experience that combines the thrill of flying with breathtaking views of snow-capped peaks, verdant valleys, and shimmering lakes. As you soar through the sky, your heart racing, you'll feel a sense of liberation and pure bliss. Are you ready to spread your wings and embark on this unforgettable adventure? Strap on your backpack and lace up your hiking boots as we venture into the stunning trails of the Swiss Alps. The region offers a vast network of hiking routes, catering to all levels of experience and fitness. From leisurely walks amidst wildflowers and charming alpine villages to challenging multi-day treks through rugged terrains, there's something for everyone. As you traverse the trails, you'll witness breathtaking vistas, pristine lakes, and hidden valleys, immersing yourself in the untouched beauty of nature. Get ready to breathe in the fresh mountain air, feel the earth beneath your feet, and reconnect with the great outdoors. When winter blankets the Swiss Alps with a shimmering layer of snow, it transforms into a playground for skiers and snowboarders from around the world. Picture yourself gliding down perfectly groomed slopes, surrounded by towering peaks and stunning alpine scenery. The Swiss Alps offer a plethora of ski resorts catering to all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner mastering the basics or an expert seeking exhilarating off-piste adventures, there's a slope for everyone. So, grab your skis or snowboard and get ready to carve your way through a winter wonderland. For the brave and the daring, the Swiss Alps present a challenging yet rewarding realm of mountaineering and climbing. The region is renowned for its iconic peaks, such as the Matterhorn and the Eiger, that have captured the imaginations of adventurers for centuries. As you ascend steep cliffs and navigate through rugged terrain, you'll be tested both physically and mentally. But the rewards are immense: breathtaking views from lofty summits, a sense of accomplishment, and a connection with nature in its most untamed form. Remember, mountaineering requires proper training, equipment, and guidance from experienced professionals, ensuring your safety as you conquer these majestic peaks. Prepare to unleash your inner thrill seeker as we explore the heart-pounding adventures of canyoning and whitewater rafting in the Swiss Alps. Canyoning takes you on an exhilarating journey through narrow gorges, sliding down natural water slides, jumping into crystal-clear pools, and rappelling down cascading waterfalls. It's an adrenaline rush like no other, immersing you in the raw beauty and power of nature. Whitewater rafting, on the other hand, invites you to navigate through rapids and surging rivers, working as a team to conquer the challenges that lie ahead. The rush of adrenaline, the splash of cold water, and the camaraderie formed during these adventures create memories that will last a lifetime. So, gear up and get ready to dive into the adrenaline-fueled world of canyoning and whitewater rafting in the Swiss Alps. And there you have it, an immersive journey through the adventures awaiting you in the Swiss Alps. Whether you're soaring through the skies paragliding, conquering the trails hiking and trekking, gliding down the slopes skiing and snowboarding, scaling the majestic peaks mountaineering and climbing, or diving into the wild canyoning and whitewater rafting, the Swiss Alps offer an abundance of thrilling experiences for every adventure enthusiast. So, pack your bags, embrace the spirit of exploration, and let the Swiss Alps be your playground of adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration and exciting escapades.